Most people are eating either too little protein or far too much, and they even don't realize it. Welcome to Purposeful Eating. I'm Jean, a professional chef, and on this channel I help you understand what you eat, how much you need, and why it matters. Today we are talking about protein. How much you actually need, how it changes with age, and how to eat it in a balanced way. Protein is essential for muscle maintenance, immune function, recovery, and overall structure of the body. As we get older, especially after 40, maintaining muscles becomes more important. Muscles supports metabolism, posture, strength, and long-term health. Amazing sources of protein are salmon, eggs, lentils, yogurt. But more proteins are not always better. Here are most common mistakes I see. First, eating too large portion at evening only. Protein works better when is distributed throughout the day. Second, relying too much on protein bars and processed supplements instead of real food. Third, assuming everyone needs athlete level intake. And fourth, ignoring the individual health conditions. For most healthy adults, a general range is approximately 0.8 to 1.2 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight per day. If you are more active, that range may increase slightly. If you are older, especially over 50, you may benefit from staying towards the higher end of that range to support muscle preservation. But this is a range, not a rule. For example, someone weighing 70 kilograms may need somewhere between 56 and 84 grams per day, depending on lifestyle. What matters just as much as total intake is distribution. Instead eating most protein at dinner, aim to spread it across breakfast, lunch, and dinner. This supports muscle synthesis and satiety more effectively. As an example, you can have for breakfast eggs, chicken or lentils for lunch, and fish for dinner. Balanced portions are more beneficial than extremes. Prioritize whole food sources, animal sources, fish, eggs, poultry, yogurt, plant sources, lentils, chickpeas, tofu, beans. Plant protein are excellent, but combining sources improves amino acid balance. If you have kidney disease, certain metabolic conditions, or specific medical concerns, protein intake should be discussed with your healthcare provider. More is not always safer. A balanced example they may include Greek yogurt with seeds and berries for breakfast, grilled chicken or lentil salad for lunch, moderate portion of fish with vegetables for dinner. These keep intake steady and controlled. Protein is important, but understanding your needs is more important than trends. If this helped you think more clearly about your nutrition, subscribe to Purposeful Eating. Eating well starts with understanding. Disclaimer: this channel provides general education information about nutrition and cooking. It is not intended as medical advice. Please consult a qualified healthcare professional for personalized guidance.